Hey guys, just going to go over a couple pairs for the breakout indicator. So here's UJ, 5-minute chart just yesterday, December 22nd. We're trying to take out this liquidity, so that's what the signals are doing. It's telling us when to jump into that. So here's the one that would have triggered right at this point here. Would have got you in for about a 1-to-1. Have your stop loss right about there. This next one here, had to be pretty quick to get that one. That might have been a loss for you. Here's a nice one though, so yeah, that I'll just mark it out with this here. But it would have been a good runner for you. 9R, depending where you put your stop loss. And when you entered. So yeah, there's UJ. Good example there. Another one here, this is Euro USD. This one I already marked out, this is the 1.6 about. Have your stop loss right below that last candle. Looking over here to your right. Same thing, it's trying to take this liquidity here. So there's a good example. This one looks like you would have got a loss there, but you probably wouldn't have taken that one because this one's already taken out. Like you've already used up all this liquidity, and this is kind of just residual. So once you get good at this strategy, you'd realize that this isn't a good one to take. Another thing is just way too choppy there. Moving on to the next one, Australian USD. We got one here. It's got bad liquidity here. Almost just looks like a diagonal range. You don't have this nice vertical kind of action to it, so you wouldn't have taken that one. Next one, GJ. This is the 22nd here. Yeah, so this would have given you like a 2R, depending on how you had it set up. So a signal would have popped out right here. Had your stop loss there, so that's a 2.7R. And if you wanted to try and get this, you would have just got break even. It would have stopped you out there. But yeah, look at the nice liquidity there on the left. Hey, that's kind of what we're after. A little bit of too much chop down here. Not ideal, so that adds risk to it. This one has got a little bit more of better shape to it. How do you call? Might have got you stopped out there depending on how tight you had your stop loss. So that's almost a 3R, about a 3R. A lot of chop here, not ideal again, but it still gives you a little bit of action. Moving on to the next one, we got GU. No signals for the 22nd. The last they give us. Oh yeah, you got a little bit here. Yeah. Your stop loss though might have got you stopped out here. So you can have your stop loss, lower if you want, depending on how you want to have it set up. But that would have gave you a nice run. Next one, where are we? So here's the 22nd, lots on AJ. That would have given you almost a 1-to-1. This is a nice one here. Would have had a tight stop loss. They usually have no drawdown if you get a nice setup. Nice runner there. Couple nice moves there. Yeah, I think we'll end the video there. Oh, this is kind of how the setups happen here. The indicator tries to peg 2 breakout points, diagonal and horizontal. Nice runner there, or not a runner, but a nice break. NAS 100, got a fail there, got another fail there, yeah, I'd say. Pulls back, and then you finally get the runner. Really interesting how that happens. Gold, I've never had really good luck with the gold signals. Sometimes, but more often than not, they don't seem to work very good for me. Oh, you got a nice move there. Something there. What did the last day bring us? Yeah, so lots of pullbacks and then it has the move. There's 3 days back. Oh, there's a nice one. Got something 4 days back, 5 days. Yeah, it's not terrible. Maybe it was just a bad stretch that I was checking it out. Yeah, you got a couple good moves. What else? Exxon. One for Exxon on the 20th. What did the 22nd bring us? Oh, yeah, got some nice moves for Exxon. Anyhow, I'll end the video. I didn't want it to be too long. If you're interested in this kind of thing, if you want to check it out, I'll just leave a link in the description. You can check out the breakout indicator. Yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. Bless. Cheers.